So here's the unit. I mean, all these soda machines basically work the same. You have a CO2 cartridge, you have a nozzle, kind of pressurizes the CO2, you know, in the drink. So they all work the same. In fact, they all pretty much use the same Sodastream pressurized carbon dioxide model. The thing I like about the Aarke here is that it's just a really nice quality unit. And so as I back off, it just matches all the other stainless steel products that I have in here. So pretty happy with it. It's not rocket science how these things work. It's pretty simple. Nice bottle, nice quality. I really like it in my kitchen here because it looks good with everything else.
No bubbles. Ridiculous.